how to turn it off the online status of your Facebook and Messenger, okay? I'll show you step by step how you can do this in your phone, okay? Let's go to screen of my cell phone. Please, before we go until the screen of my cell phone, hit the like, subscribe at this channel and share this content. If this tutorial that I'll show you works, please let the comment, oh, thank you, it works. And if this tutorial doesn't work, please comment two things. First thing is the mark of your cell phone, and second, the model of your cell phone, for we bring new tutorials for you. Please subscribe at this channel and let's go to screen of my cell phone. Thank you for watching this video. I'll show you how you can turn off the online status from your Facebook or your Messenger, okay? Step by step right now. First, you need to access your Facebook icon, but before you access the Facebook and the message icon, you need to check something before you do this change, okay? Go until the Play Store or the App Store. It will depend if you're using an Android or an iOS, okay? So tap right here in Play Store. When you access this icon, you will arrive at this main screen of the Play Store or App Store. You just need to search for Facebook, okay? Facebook, and you just need to check if your app is up to date. So if the app isn't up to date, you just click right here in update. If your icon is the same like me, no problem, you just click right here in open and check the same options for the Messenger app. Right, Messenger, and check if your Messenger is up to date, okay? When you check these two informations, you will need to open this Facebook icon. Tap right here, okay? Hey, please don't forget, leave the like and subscribe at this channel, okay? It helps a lot. And leave your comment, it's very important. So you need to click right here in the settings of your Facebook. Sometimes your settings is below, down here. It will depend the model of your cell phone and the version of your Facebook, okay? Let's open the settings, and when you arrived at this screen, you just need to scroll down until you find settings and privacy. Tap right here, okay? It will show this new screen. You just need to tap again in settings, only in settings, okay? When you arrived at the screen, you will have many options to you click. You just need to scroll down a little bit, okay, until you find audience and visibility. And here in these options, you just need to click in the last options, okay? It's below in blocking. The options is active status. You tap right here and you will arrive over here. Show when you're active. You just need to turn it off, this button. You need to click turn it off again. And when you get online on your Facebook, the Facebook won't show you for no one, okay? Now let's go to change the Messenger status. Now let's go to change the Messenger online status, okay? So let's back to the main Android or iOS screen and let's to access the Messenger icon, okay? Let's find the Messenger icon, okay? Over here, let's tap it. When you arrived at this screen, you need to click right here in upper left in your profile. Click in your profile, scroll down until you find active status in profile, and you will see the active status is on. You just tap here, okay? And you just click right here in this option to turn it off, the active status, okay? You can pause the active status until I change it, or for an hour or for 8 hours. It will depend what you wanted. Please leave a like and comment. I hope I help you. If I help you with this tutorial, please let your comment down in this video, okay? Let a simple comment like, oh, it helps, thank you. And if this tutorial doesn't work, please let your comment with the mark and the model of your cell phone, and please subscribe at this channel, because here at this channel we bring new tutorials for you. All tutorials we bring to you is about your comment you let in this channel. Thank you, my friend. Stay with God until the next video, and see ya.